Hi subscribers, welcome to our channel. This is Kishore Palavalsa. Please subscribe our channel for more new different types of oriented classes as well as and also new trend classes, okay, and also shortcut methods of our classes. So please encourage to me as well as I need your support always. With your support, I can make the different types of new concept classes, okay, and also I need your support always, okay. Now till we have to continue from the electrical circuits, okay. In the previous session already we are going to discussing the basically power delivered in the particular electrical circuits as well as also to find the R equivalent, as also we have to find the total current from the entire given circuit diagram. All those we have to finding the in the both series and parallel combination of resistance networks, okay. Now we have to finding the another model, okay. In this also, basically here also, total current developed in that particular entire circuit, okay. Now we have to see here, okay. So this is the given question, okay. This is the given problem. So basically here the problem may contains like 40 ohms and 100 ohms and 150 ohms and 20 ohms, 120 ohms and 100 ohms. Like this question will be given here, okay. Here also we have to finding the total current flowing through the entire circuit, okay. Whenever supply will be given to the 100 volts, how much amount of current will be flowing to the entire all elements we have to finding like this, okay. How much amount of current will be flowing, and also here we have to calculate to the find the current flowing through the 100 ohm resistance also, okay. Here also total current will be flowing to the current we have to finding, and also how much amount of current only individual 100 ohms resistance only, individual 100 ohms resistance only, how much amount of current will be flowing, that can be also we have to find here. If you have any doubt, please put on the comment box. I will find to give the solution all those different types of models of questions, okay. So please now let us see this model, okay. Here also from this circuit diagram, here we are observe this, you can clearly understood, okay. Here both 40 ohms and 100 ohms which is connected in series, okay, from this circuit diagram if you observe. So that's why given as both are which is in series, okay, both are which is connected in series like this, both 40 ohms and 100 ohms. So then only we can get to the 140 ohms, then only we can get to the 140 ohms. So that's equivalent circuit can be we have to draw like this. Already we are know that how can we have to draw the overall representation one by one, step by step, okay. So and also which is connected in parallel, some 150 ohms also there, and also another one is the some 120 ohms is there, and also some battery will be like this there, okay. This is the basic entire circuit diagram according to from this equation, okay. And also here also both 150 ohms and 140 ohms which is connected in parallel, so that's why given. So here two resistors which is connected in parallel, okay. Then what is the given? 150 into 140 by 150 plus 140, okay. 150 into 140 by 150 plus 140, okay. This is the total R equivalent calculation. According to that, we have to finally we can get to the from this value 72.41 ohms, okay. So this is the value we are getting from the this value from this total value, okay. So this value can be you have to represent here, okay, 120 ohms, as well as here we are getting to the 72.41 ohms. We are getting to the 72.41 ohms, okay. And so also here battery is there, that's enough, okay. Anything is not there here, okay. Well, because if you have this combination of these two elements, you can get to the this value. This value can be represented here in this values, all those values current in series with the 120 ohms resistance, that can be we have to kept here. So finally we have to represent it like this diagram, okay. So here both two elements, we observe this both two elements which is connected in series. So that's why 72 point like this 120 ohms and as well as 72.41 ohms. So finally we can what is the value we are getting here, okay, 190, okay, 192.412 ohms, 192.412 ohms we are getting to the from the entire circuit, okay, 192.41, okay. And also so final representation we can be represented like this. So this is the battery, so battery is given as basically 100 volts, okay. This is the 100 volts, and also here also we can get to the 192.4 4 1. Simply 4 1. We have to represent like this. Okay. So from this circuit, so simply we can calculate to the current also. We can calculate to the current also. Okay. And also how do we have to calculate the current? So according to Ohm's law, V is equal to IR. So from that, I is equal to V by R. I is equal to V by R. Okay. Here the total current will be I is equal to the total current will be flowing to the entire all elements. Here we have to first of all calculate it. Okay. So here I is equal to V by R. V means here total value will be given as 100 volts. Total value, voltage value. Total voltage will be given as 100 volts. 100 by 192.4 volt. 100 by 192.41. So this is the total value of I. Okay. So finally we can get to the 0.519. 0.519 amperes. 0.519 amperes we are getting from the total value. Okay. So now we are here getting to the total current. But he is asking from the given problem, what is the current flowing through the only 100 ohm resistance? What is the current flowing through the 100 ohm resistance? Individual resistance he is asking. Okay. Here current will be coming. This is the current here like this. This current is this. Whenever supply will be 100 volts will be given to the entire circuit, then the current, how much amount of current will be flowing? 0.519 current will be flowing. But this is not required here. But here requirement is what is the current flowing through the 100 ohm resistance. This is we are required. This is the main required. Okay. So from this circuit, so according to the current dividing rule, already know that I think. If you don't know, I will tell you for the further class. Okay. What is the current dividing rule here? So according to the current dividing rule, we have to calculate the individual current flowing through the here throughout the entire 100 ohm resistance. Throughout the entire 100 ohm resistance. Okay. Here according to current dividing rule, what is the value we are getting? So simply we have to represent it here. So this is the 100, 120 ohms, 120 volts as well as, so this is the 150 ohms. Okay. So here if you observe these two are which is connected in series here, both 40 ohms as well as 100 ohms which is connected in series. So that can be resistance can be, that resistance can be, both resistance can be, we have to represent it like this, that is given as 140 ohms. Okay. So this is the representation for the calculation of current dividing. Okay. For the calculation of current dividing, this is the simple notation. So here some current will be flowing. Our battery supply is given to the entire circuit. Then some current will be flowing. That is given as some 0.59 amperes will be flowing to the entire circuit. Okay. So according to the from the circuit diagram, we have to simply calculate to the, so throughout the 100 ohm resistance, find out the total current. Okay. That is given as here total current I1 is equal to I1 is equal to I into 140 by 140 plus 150. 140 plus 150. So then we get to the I1 is equal to, I already we know that. So total current flowing through the entire circuit I is equal to 0.519. Okay. So 0.519 into 140 by 140 plus 150. 140 plus 150. Then we can get to the 0.25 amperes. Then we can get to the 0.25 amperes. Okay. So this is the total current flowing through the 100 ohm resistance. Individual 100 ohm resistance, total current will be flowing as a 0.25 amperes. But total current to the entire circuit, how much amount will be flowing? 0.519. But individual resistance, if you want to go for the individual resistance, 0.25 amperes will be flowing here from this circuit. Okay. So this is the today our class subscribers. If you have any doubt, please put on the comment box. I will give you reply each and every one. Thank you and all. Thank you.